Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to stay updated with the latest weather alerts on your iPhone? Today I will show you how to turn them on quickly and easily. Let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the setting app, scroll down and tap privacy and security. Then you tap on location services at the top. Ensure that location services is toggled on. Scroll down to find the weather app. Tap on it and then choose always to allow the weather app to access the location at all times. This ensures you get accurate local weather alerts. Now go back to your home menu and open the weather app. In the weather app, tap on the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner to access the app setting. Tap on the circular icon with the three dots at the top right corner and tap on notification. Toggle on severe weather to receive alerts about severe weather condition. You can also enable next hour precipitation to get notification about rain or snow in the next hour. And that's it guys, you successfully turned on weather alerts on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. And I will see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.